A lot of tourists come and they don't know what this is about. It is. And it makes sense. Like, well, how would they? You know?
Yeah, it's like an art.
Yeah. Hi. I'll just look at that. That's cool. Oh, these fans are giving me life. It's like the air conditioning, but then the fans kicking up too.
Here's your host,
Ah, love of my life. He would be so funny. Can you imagine being married to him? And then all the time he'd be like,
Ooh, this is a nice area.
yeah.
Good area to be stuck in.
Oh, interesting.
Move all the way down your row and store any loose articles securely beneath your seat.
We did Jimmy Fallon. That's a virtual queue. Do a virtual queue. They're there all day. I might get another one just for the AC.
Easy.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was cute.
But can you see how somebody who doesn't watch Jimmy Fallon would be like, what?
Yeah, even not watching it though, it's still cute.
Yeah, it's cute. Alright, you guys, we're just taking pictures because
It's hot.
it's
in
hot.
the shade.
Yes. I got a drink from Finnegan's. It's my cranberry margarita. I love it.
Can I taste it?
It's just fresh with tequila.
Oh, it does taste good.
Might get another one. I'm trying to remember what the other one was. The music got really loud all of a sudden, so.
They know.
I've never been in here. Fun fact.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, there's a child in there. Oh, what's this? Is this a backpack? I would love it as a backpack.
The hamburger?
Yeah.
It's got a little Krabby Patty thing on it. It is a backpack, isn't it? Flip it. Oh, yes.
I think it's just
not
a
a
pillow.
SpongeBob is a backpack.
Yeah.
I found who says you can't put happiness.
Sale. This is so nicely. Oh, so SpongeBob. It'd be really cute if they did like what Frozen did, and they put that as like a TV, and SpongeBob was like
Yeah.
grilling patties. You see the free receipt with every purchase?
Yeah.
What a bargain.
That is good.
What's in the front of this? Anything?
It's different. It's got that.
Oh. Have you seen the snail? Uh-oh, Gary went missing. What happened to Gary?
I wish there was a jelly plushie.
This is We're just chilling. It's really hot, so this is like the time where you just chill.
We went to the Jurassic World tribute store. It was super cool. They had like a little desserts in there too.
Yeah, so it's just like any other tribute store, like the Halloween one you guys saw me go into, and if you didn't, I have a playlist of it. But it's the same idea, but it's just Jurassic World.
Yeah, I got fudge. It looked really good, but I haven't eaten it, and I just took it out of my bag because I thought something squishy. It's like frosting consistency. It still tastes good, but like
I think of a Tootsie Roll that's like melted.
Yeah, that's about right.
It's so hot, guys. It's so hot. This is number 6? Number 6, we got an icy.
We literally got 5 Cokes and an icy.
What's this guy?
Coke.
It's just refreshing for some reason. We're gonna be so dehydrated tomorrow, but we'll be back home, so it's no big deal. I got a Tom Collins. She did warn me it was gonna be more lemony than soda-y, and it is. It's just a little more lemony than I would want it. Oh, sweating. The amount of sweat. Insane.
Sweat, baby, sweat.
We had the
Beef empanadas?
yeah, picadillo empanadas from the Universal Catering Co. Like there's little food trucks all over.
Right in front of Fast and Furious.
Yes, right there. Really pretty view actually. But it was a really hard shell. Like too hard of a shell.
They definitely overcooked it, which made
Yeah.
it like impossible to get
To the
the
food,
meat out
like,
or even
together at
eat
the
it.
same bite. And not enough meat for the shell.
Yeah, puffed up too much. I think they just over fried it in general.
Yeah, I
it
think
looks
so.
pretty, but
Yeah.
don't get it. Not worth it.
It wasn't bad tasting, but no. Not worth the price either.
No. I like the little blue one.
Of course.
Cameras, phones, tablets, and external lights of any kind once we leave the loading docks. Good luck out there and be cool.
Hold on, say it again. We just did
Fast and Furious.
Supercharge and
That was my least favorite ride all of the days. It was such a waste. Like, it was almost decent, but it didn't even make that.
I warned you. But it's good for you to like
Take a break.
take it off your list, you know?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, not really. I wouldn't. Just don't do it.
next time I should have just been like, no. This one, Supercharge, is never on my list. Simpsons, never on my list, and Transformers, never on my list. Those two, not because they're bad, but because they're at California,
Yeah.
and I get dizzy, so I'm just not into it.
Okay.
But Supercharge, I just don't like.
Yeah, makes sense.
And it's the same show, the exact same show. There's like bad theater at the beginning,
Oh, really bad theater.
and I'm getting that term not because I'm being a jerk, but from Shark Tank, Mr. O'Leary. He says it all the time. But it wasn't great, it wasn't funny. And then you get on the ride and it's the same one as California. Now somebody tell me, is the one in California 3D? Because I could have swore it was, but we didn't use 3D glasses right now. So I don't know.
Maybe if it was 3D, it would have been slightly better.
I think it's part of the tram. And I know we used 3D glasses for Kong. But I don't know if we used it for Fast and Furious 2.
Gotcha.
But it's the same story.
Yeah.
It's actually even better in California because then you have like the tram conductor get in on it.
Oh.
Like they call him and he's like part of it.
That's, yeah. Ours was a dummy.
Yeah, it was a dummy. It was weird.
Not that he was stupid. He was literally just a dummy, a mannequin.
He would bubble. I just got a alarm that the mummy is 15 minutes. So we're gonna go see if it's true. And if it is, we're gonna ride it.
Yep.
And then on to E.T. That one is not like amazing, but Kat just has to do it because it's a classic
Yep, off the
And-
list. Before it's remodeled for something else.
for sure. But yeah, overall not bad. 7:40. We need to like kind of hurry. We still want to do Rocket,
Yeah.
and go back to Diagon Alley and do E.T. So a lot to do and not a lot of time. We did Rip It roller coaster 2 times in a row. Cats liked it.
I loved it.
Would you do
They
it?
had shiny toy guns with disco. Goodie but an oldie from middle school days. Fantastic.
My song was removed. I need to see if there's a secret code for it now. Because it's an oldie from the ride.
Uh-huh.
So I wonder if it's like a secret code now.
Oh, maybe.
I'll have to look it up. Kitty wishes they showed you what songs there was.
Yes, that you were ready to choose.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you just like keep going back to the same ones.
Well, that'd be something easy to add to the app.
Yeah. And if they keep updating them, I mean, it's all electronic anyway, so it's
Yeah.
just a little menu.
I think that's fair.
on to ET.
On to ET, and then hopefully
Gringotts.
Gringotts right after that. I'm trying to rush.
See if we can make it.
Yeah, our last one, we like took the ride. It took like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we're like, okay, let's do it again. We go up, there was almost no line. It would have been a 5 minute.
Yeah.
But they needed a party of 2, and I was like, 2? So we rode almost like
Instantaneous.
a minute after, yeah. Just a minute it took to like run up.
It was nice, but also I need a break in between.
Yeah, for sure. So good, so fun. Do it in the morning, do it at night.
Yes.
You see the sky though? I was about to tell you.
That is my button.
It's cool in here.
It is.
Goodbye, friend.
Kitty Row ET.
Super cute. Definitely would do it. At least once more if I had another day here.
Yeah, it's cute, right?
Yeah, it's like the Peter Pan one.
Yeah.
Because it takes you up above and then you get to see the little miniature.
I didn't tell
I
her
love.
anything about it, but I knew she would like the queue. The queue's really like
The second part is weird.
100%.
It's like E.T.'s planet. I mean, I could have done without that part. There was a little water feature that Shirley caught on video, so she'll show you. That was cute. A little weird. I kind of live without that part.
Yeah, it's a little
More
weird.
The night sky, you know.
That we like got a peek into someone's wild imagination in that. She,
I would have loved
Kat goes up like to me and she's like, "Was that in the movie?"
It's been a while, but you know, I still do remember what,
Yeah, no.
some of it.
Yeah, the beginning is beautiful and then it gets weird. But you are riding little bikes.
Yes, cute.
Yeah, and then we only waited maybe 5 minutes in the queue.
Easy.
Yeah.
We'll see if we make it to Harry Potter.
Yeah. Don't wait more than an hour for it though.
Oh, heck no.
No.
Not even 20 minutes.
No.
It is air conditioned though once you get inside.
Yeah, once you get
And
inside.
covered technically, so maybe wait.
Yeah, if it's raining
Yeah.
or middle of the day.
Yes. I mean, it's not the worst spot.
And now, the train. Huh? What movie is this from, huh?
Back to the Future.
And then tell me the number. And then there's a DeLorean at night. I haven't seen it at night before. The flux capacitor is on in brilliance. Dr. Emmett Brown wasn't around today.
Nope.
Oh, I didn't see him. How dare him?
Here's time traveling. He might come back later.
The Simpsons at night is so cool. We didn't spend any time in this land. But it exists in California, so yeah. I mean, not this. The Twirl and Hurl is not in California. But the land is. The food is, for the most part. The ride is. I think it's the same ride. I don't know. Never done it. I'm assuming it's the same thing. All of these little games are. It's cool though. Imagine going to a bank like that.
I'm so excited, money.
Bye. See that?
Oh, I was neither.
our travel day back. We have to get back to the hotel, grab an Uber, grab another hotel. You'll see. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. Today was a good day. What was your favorite ride?
The whatever that one, the one with the music.
Okay. Least favorite?
Oh, Fast and Furious.
Best thing you ate?
Not that best. What was the best thing I ate?
Butterbeer?